In this video I'm going to show you how to install or replace the ink cartridges in your HP DeskJet 2700e printer. Now the first thing is to switch on the printer, so press the power button. Now open the ink cartridge chamber door, and there might be this door closing, so you can just open it like this. Ink chamber door is here, so push it outside. Wait for the ink cartridges to come in the middle. Now take the ink cartridge out. So press it down and take it out. Press it down, so you have to apply some force and take it out. Now to install the new ink cartridge, now take the new ink cartridge out of the plastic packaging, remove the orange seal from this side and simply insert it here. Push it with one hand and hold the printer with the other hand. Once you hear the sound, that means it is installed properly. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door. Check on the printer screen if everything is okay. If you see any lights or errors, then you have to reinstall it, otherwise it's working and it's in good condition. So this way we can do the ink replacement or installation in this printer series. Thanks for watching.